International presents the MaxEff20, a high-efficiency hybrid cutting system. It is the most technologically advanced and cost-effective automotive interior trim cutting system available today. Ontario Die International has successfully combined the flexibility of our diverse dies with the precision of our Dievac system and the economic advantages of a roller-style press. The result is a dramatic increase in material efficiency, accuracy, and output in a process that is simple, fast, and energy efficient. Unique to this system is that one machine can be used for cutting all automotive interior materials as well as whole hide leather. Dies made by Ontario Die International stand out because of their exceptional quality. Our R&D department works intimately with suppliers throughout the world to develop the very best materials and components. We also work closely with customers to design innovative cutting technology that meets the rigorous demands of today's automotive market. Our cavities and internal cutouts are made from the highest quality steel, and our unique diverse die boards have been specifically engineered to withstand the tremendous pressures generated during the cutting cycle. Dies made by Ontario Die also stand out because of their exceptional accuracy. Starting with your CAD data, we use the latest technology to analyze each element of the layout and eliminate problems before they become an issue. We use lasers to produce exceptionally accurate master templates that are utilized throughout our entire manufacturing process. With the aid of our patented Dievac system, our customers can easily cut many layers of material in a single cycle and still be confident that each layer cut from top to bottom will be as uniform and as accurate as the first. Ontario Die's unique diverse die gives you complete flexibility. Engineering changes are a way of life in the automotive industry. Our diverse system's quick change capability brings flexibility to your shop floor. Cavities and internal punches can be changed in a matter of minutes, allowing for easy engineering changes, repairs, and marker renesting, giving you the ability for continuous improvement. Our customers tell us that because materials are the most expensive item in their factory, material efficiency is their #1 issue. Ontario Die has responded by minimizing buffers between patterns at just 0 to 1.5 millimeters. Ours is the only cutting system in the world that can provide this outstanding level of material efficiency. Our combination of steel design, manufacturing techniques, and engineering has evolved die cutting into the most material-efficient cutting system in the world, with a typical material savings of up to 10% as compared to today's NZ cutters. This 100-inch wide heavy-duty roller press is wide enough and strong enough to cut any man-made material or leather with rollers that easily withstand even the highest pressures encountered during the cutting process. The user-friendly job selection interface makes choosing the correct die height easy to achieve for any operator. The cut cycle begins with the laying up of material using either an automatic spreader or done manually as shown here. On our MaxEff20 dies, up to 10 plies of laminated material can be prepared. When the layup is complete, a series of roller-equipped transfer arms extend from the side of the press, creating a smooth and easy bridge from the layup table to the press. The power transfer device moves the die with material onto the press and properly aligns the die board into the Dievac system. There is no need for additional consumable materials such as plastic sheeting, bristle tables, or cutting knives. The only part of the entire die cutting system that needs periodic replacement is the plastic cutting pad mounted inside the Dievac hood.
Using a rack and pinion assembly and suction cups, the Dievac hood is lowered from above until it fully encompasses the material-laden die and a tight seal is formed.
Automated swing-away catch arms secure the hood from premature movement. Designed with environmental factors in mind, this press runs with just 2 motors and a total of 13 horsepower. And when idle, the motors are stopped to further reduce electrical consumption.
The vacuum pumps begin at once to rapidly remove all the air from within the enclosed chamber in a process that takes only 5 to 8 seconds to complete. With no air left inside, the layers of material have now been compressed into a solid block and are held firmly in place in readiness for cutting. At this point, the entire apparatus is automatically drawn through the heavy-duty rollers. They exert an enormous amount of pressure evenly across the entire width of the die, and within seconds, all the parts from all the layers are cut cleanly and perfectly.
This fast cycle time allows for true just-in-time material processing.
Although the vacuum remains active throughout the cutting process and continues to draw any remaining air from the hood, the moment the die is clear of the rollers, the vacuum pump automatically reverses the airflow. This begins the reinflation of the Dievac system, and when it returns to the original position in the press, it is now fully reinflated and ready for the next step. Once again using the rack and pinion lifting assembly, the Dievac hood is now raised up and out of the way and secured in place with automated retaining arms for added safety. The transfer arms extend a second time to allow the die to be effortlessly transferred back onto the layup table. In the event that the operators are processing large volumes, the transfer arms can also swing out from the opposite side, thus allowing one die to be rolled off to a picking table while another is being rolled on in an uninterrupted continuous cycle of layup, cutting, and picking. Once the die is cleared of the press, the operators begin to remove the perfectly cut pieces. These parts are accurate enough for all automotive interior manufacturing processes, including pour-in-place technology that demands extremely accurate cut pieces. After all the cut parts are removed, the small amount of scrap that remains on the die is removed from the die board, and the die is ready to be used once again.
Whether you are cutting man-made materials, whole hide leather, or both, whether your volumes are high, low, or everything in between, for maximum flexibility, maximum efficiency, and unprecedented accuracy, the MaxEff20 from Ontario Die International is simply the best cutting system available on the market today.